when you're trying to manage your finances, the very first thing people tell you is get a budget. They're wrong. The very first thing that you need isn't going to be a budget, it's a spending tracker. So a spending tracker does something that a budget just can't do. A spending tracker shows you the amount you have actually spent on things. What it does is it goes and shows you exactly how much money you are putting out each week into these different categories of expenses. It helps you feel the pain. It helps you realize it at an emotional level, what it is that you are actually spending, what is flowing out. That emotional connection is so, so important. Take, for example, my food. With a budget, I could say I'm going to spend $20 a week on food, and there's no real connection between that and the amount I'm actually spending. And without that emotional connection, you're not going to see that change resulting from it. Whereas with a spending tracker, each week you've got to bring yourself to actually look, to see the harsh reality in front of you that you just spent $300 or $400 a week on food, and you're going, I don't want to see that. I feel that pain. And actually feeling that pain and experiencing that pain every week, now that is what results in change. So my word of advice to you is, if you're trying to manage your finances and you're in difficulty and you want to make real change, start with a spending tracker, because that's the best place to get that emotional connection that you need to make those changes. Budget can come later. A budget is important. It's got a really good role, and we'll get into that later. But the first thing you need to start with is a spending tracker.